o'clock on the dot, and we are about to head to Chattanooga to do some grocery shopping. I think I've said this before in one of my previous videos. Oh, excuse me. Where I live, there's only like 2 grocery stores, but we live maybe 50 minutes from Chattanooga, Tennessee. So I like to drive there. They have a Trader Joe's, they have a Target, and they have a Sam's Club, and we have a Sam's Club membership. So today I'm going to drive up there. I usually go about once or twice a month. So we'll go to Target first, Trader Joe's, and Sam's Club. Sam's Club doesn't open until 10 o'clock Tennessee time, and it's only 7 Tennessee time. It'll be 8 when I get there. Let's see, got a long list of things that I need to get. It's kind of like a monthly stock up. Yeah, I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. I'm still kind of nervous about filming in the store, so I don't know if I'll do that. Oh, excuse me, I am tired. I've been up since 4:30 this morning just because. I need to stop and get me a drink. We don't have like a Starbucks or any kind of drive-through coffee shop, so I'll probably go to McDonald's and get a Coke. Yeah, so I'll take you along with this day. I leave early to try to get back early. Oh, I haven't been to the Sam's Club up there yet. I usually just go to Trader Joe's and Target, but we need to stock up on some stuff, so I'm gonna go to Sam's Club this time too. I've got my reusable bags, and I've got my giant water jug from Hydro Jug with me, ready to go. Okay, so the first place I went was Target. Just had to get a few things. Got this Method Daily Shower Spray, this Febreze spray. I like to spray that on the couch. Some bathroom cleaner, one of these little scrubs. Got a fan for Lane, or Golden Doodle, because she's been getting hot, so I can point that at her dog bed. Real Technique sponge for makeup. More tape for wrapping presents. I got some parchment paper to make some cookies, and then I got Briar a new French press because his broke. Then I went to TJ Maxx, and I got some shampoo. So I just got the Chi shampoo, the conditioner. This one's the Reconstructing Conditioner. The Silk Infusion. I love this stuff. It smells so good. Then I got this volume booster. I saw that and it looked kind of interesting. So next I went to Trader Joe's, and it's all this stuff over here. Oh, I also got this at Target. I got a new body wash. So starting here, I got a bunch of freezer stuff. I got some Mexican style roasted corn. Got some spicy Mexican style rice cauliflower, vegetable fried rice. I got 2 bags of the mandarin orange chicken, some broccoli. I got spicy hummus dip, 2 things of mozzarella, another bag of mandarin orange chicken. I got some cheese sticks, beef and broccoli, Parmesan, these carne asada burritos. Got some more bacon. This is the best bacon. And I got these 2 bowls for Briar. I just seen these for the first time today. This one's the sriracha shrimp bowl, and this one's the Cuban style bowl. I got some of these jumbo cinnamon rolls. I thought we could do these on Christmas Eve. I got this cheese for a recipe. Got some eggs. Got this tomato basil sauce for a recipe. Black beans. Heavy whipping cream. I got 4 of those because all they had was the little small ones. I have some egg whites. This sriracha sauce. Got these for Briar. Rolled corn tortilla chips, the chili and lime flavored. Also got these for him, the peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. I got some baby spinach, sourdough bread, nutritional yeast for a recipe that I can't think of right now, green beans, got some chopsticks. I got the regular and the jalapeno. The jalapeno is my favorite. I got some carrots. I got some little cucumbers. And here I just got some bell peppers, lime, and lemon. And then I got some onions in there. I got some regular Pink Lady apples. And I got apple slices. I got 2 bags of those. And then I got pita bread. Is that all from Trader Joe's? Okay, that's it from there. Then I went to Sam's. I got this box of pasta. It's got the elbow, spaghetti, and penne. I got 2 of these boxes of Cheez-Its, and we already broke into 1 box. Got some Ziploc bags. I got these string cheese. Love those. I got a big pack of chicken tenderloins and chicken drumsticks. Got these hoagie breads. I got the white cheddar popcorn. I love these Gain beads. We got some more trash bags. Got water, Pepsi. I got some makeup removing wipes, some Kodiak cake mix, some Finish Jet Dry rinse, some cashews, grape jelly. I got these Mr. Clean magic eraser. Just dropped it. Magic erasers. I really like these. Got some more toothpaste. Got Browner some more A1. Got some more ranch. Got some more dishwasher pods. Got Browner these Zevia drinks. Got some OxyClean and big box of OxyClean. There's the other bag of Cheez-Its that we ate. I got these from Trader Joe's, these potatoes. And then I got this Gain from Sam's. I think that is it. So I got a lot of things and a lot of things to put up.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got
So, driving around the canyon, trying to stop and get some pictures, and I was like, oh, there's a cute little like water stream right here, like a little creek. That would be so cute for stock pictures. So I decided I was gonna pull off the side of the road and get out, take a couple pics, get back in. So pull off, get out, and I go over there and look, and I'm like, maybe I shouldn't walk down there without my husband. Maybe I should just come back another day. Walk over here, get in my car, start it, go to pull out. I got my car stuck. So now my husband and his stepdad are having to come pull me out. Like literally, I'm on the side of the road. Ugh. On the side of the road, and just wait. And my car is stuck. All for that stream there. And the kicker is, right here where my car is at, there's no cell phone service. So I had to walk down to that stream, stand on this side of the road just to call anybody. We are doing great today. Fantastic. I knew I should have stayed home. Like I didn't feel good. Knew I should have stayed on the couch. And here I am. Stranded until they come and pick me up. Great.
It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here. My winter wonderland. No. It's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year, my winter